case you didn't know, you can't watch my age-restricted videos unless you're signed into YouTube. There's Sultry Honey, a 1935 Buick Series 40. Wowzer! Alluring girl here, a 1945 Ford Anglia. As a disabled senior citizen and a U.S. veteran, I've been producing videos for several years now for free. YouTube continues to refuse to pay me for my work. If you like my videos and want me to continue creating them, please donate $1 cash or more and send it to the address listed. Please no checks. Thank you for your support. Fabulous babe here, a 1955 Chevrolet 3100 custom pickup LS1. There's an audacious fox, a 1965 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Woo-wee! Irresistible Hottie here, a 1985 Ferrari 288 GTO. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's the end of the show. I hope you liked it. Have a good day.